What's good, guys? It's your boy Will here, episode 1 on the Bronx Investor. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm excited about this. Episode 1 out of like millions to come. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to get these videos on a consistent basis out there for you guys. And yeah, I went out there, copped myself a tripod, copped myself an O-ring. I even bought a mic around there somewhere. And yeah, I'm excited for this. I felt like, why not take advantage of IGTV? And I feel like it's a different way to just really engage with the community as opposed to, just the regular posts and the captions I put on. Because let's be real, I can't really go that in depth with just, those things. So hopefully, these videos are going to be something new and just very insightful. That's my goal out of it, one of my goals. So what am I going to be talking about? If you've been following the Bronx Investor for a while now, you would know the plug for all things personal finance and investing. So, what does that entail? So I'm going to be talking about credit cards. I'm going to be talking about credit scores. I'm going to be talking about debt. I'm going to be talking about budgeting. I'm going to be talking about the financial life cycle. I'm going to just try to put out there, all the concepts that I've took in and, right back out to you guys. Investing, that's a whole nother world within itself. I'm going to try to take the approach that I took. I'm talking about from the beginning, like beginner status, where I didn't even know what a stock was. So I'm gonna make sure you guys are, well versed into that. And I'm gonna use my real life experiences. I'm gonna use, the knowledge I got from being in the market. I've only been investing since like early 2019, but you'll be like amazed with just what you could learn in just like those few months and those few years in the market. So, hopefully that could eliminate a learning curve for you guys and eventually will push you guys to invest. That's my goal right now, to get as much as you guys as I can to invest. You guys going to be investing in yourself. You guys going to be investing in your future. You guys going to be investing for your kids and your kids' future. And this is all, I ain't charging nothing. This is all free info that I'm trying to put out there. And yeah, I'm excited for that. Also, I want to, have interviews with certain people that I know personally. We're going to be talking about, their own experiences, their own, their knowledge, their gems that they have to spread on certain topics, whether it be like, their home buying process or how they had to deal with debt and all of that. That's like, another little series right there, just some ideas. And I'm excited about that as well. I want to post motivational things as well. Anything to help you guys get better every single day. That's like my little mantra right there. If you get better 1% every day, at the end of the year, you'll be better 365%. That right there, that's just the numbers. Numbers don't lie. So yeah, let's get into it. So pilot, episode one. I feel like it's only right if I talk about, how I kind of got started with, all this finance stuff, and also what pushed me to make the Bronx Investor and my little philosophy behind it, what I'm trying to achieve out of it. So yeah, let's get started. It started around senior year of college. Yep, senior year of college. The first 3 years and that first semester senior year was a dub. It was my last semester. I just needed 3 credits left, and my boy recommended to me a class, personal finance. And that right there just tweaked my mind into I don't know. It's just like the way I see money now is completely different than I saw it, before all of that. And, forever I'm grateful for that class. And I feel like all my tuition money goes straight to that class. Like everything that I paid for college was for that. So yeah, after that, I ended up buying a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad, which I'm pretty sure a bunch of you heard, or at least, even read. And that right there just further piqued my interest into all of this personal finance. It got me into my bag just trying to figure out more information. Around that time, I also started, that was early 2019, where I started actually investing. I started that investing journey. So that was even more information that I had to seek out. That's more books I had to buy. That's more YouTube videos that I had to watch. And, primarily what I wanted to do with investing was I wanted to know where my money is going, and I wanted to know how to make my money make money. So, that's what it was. And I took that and I ran with it. And then eventually, shout out to one of my friends. She actually pushed me to start this page. I just had a few ideas. And she actually, made me follow through with it, and I started the Bronx Investor. So the Bronx Investor, what am I trying to get out of with this page? So I don't know if you guys noticed, but at the bottom of all of my posts, I tag a different place within the Bronx. And what I'm trying to really show people with that is that the Bronx Investor, or the investor, it doesn't even have to be the Bronx. But where you see poverty and low income areas, there can be investors there as well. Like, I don't know. I just feel like I had this idea of an investor. You had to be super smart. You had a, PhD in stocks, and you have to be rich already. But after learning all this information and taking this in, you realize that that is not the point. Like that's false. That's false. The investor can be anyone, can be an average person. And that's what I'm trying to show. I'm just a regular kid from the Bronx, and I'm just really trying to give people this information where they can take it and they can become the Bronx investor. You're not gonna see the nicest houses here. You're not gonna see the nicest cars. You're not gonna see the richest people around here. But should that really stop you from becoming like an expert on personal finance and being an expert in investing? I feel like it shouldn't right there. Your environment should only be responsible for certain things. You can't really put that band-aid, it's because where I'm from all the time. You can't use that all the time. You gotta break out of it. So yeah, basically that's what I'm trying to achieve with that. I just want to throw knowledge out there, and I want to make investing the new wave. That's really all I want to do. And so I'm excited, guys. I was just going in and ranting for a bit right there, but be on the lookout for more videos. Like, share, recommend this video to anyone you think might enjoy it. And I appreciate you guys a lot, seriously. And yeah.